Hi everybody, Zach here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I am going to tell you which 4 cryptocurrencies that you need to own. I believe every portfolio should have these 4 cryptos in them first and foremost. Now, they don't have to be your largest positions. However, I don't think it would be a terrible idea if they were. And from the thumbnail, if you were paying attention closely, you probably already know the 3 of them. I'm going to add some analysis to why those 3, and the 4th one is, well, kind of a coin flip, right? There's people in various different camps in terms of maybe what the 4th best cryptocurrency really is. So we're going to get into, and a lot of people would say after the first 2, actually, it kind of gets controversial. But okay, I'm going to give you the first 3. Talk about each one a little bit, why I feel like they're so important to have in there for the long term, as well as that 4th one that I think every portfolio also needs to have, oftentimes gets overlooked. Okay, so we're going to start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the granddaddy of them all, if you will, right? And I mean, here's where I want to start. Okay, Bitcoin makes up 45% of the overall market. Okay. Bitcoin, due to supply and demand, even though that it's a old proof of work system, due to supply and demand, Bitcoin is going to rise. And there's a number of reasons why. Number one is institutions are already backing Bitcoin. They're going to continue to back Bitcoin in the future. In fact, there's an event coming up July 31st called the B Word event, hosted by Jack Dorsey, attended by Elon Musk, speakers galore, right? And their whole reasoning for putting the B Word event on is to try to get institutions to invest in Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, I believe, will become a stored value type asset that will eventually eclipse the market cap of gold. The current market cap of gold is $10 trillion. Bitcoin currently is $626 billion. However, it has been as high as $1 trillion. Bitcoin, while I don't see it being a utility type token in the future, it will be a stored value, and in my opinion, it will always be a top cryptocurrency, especially by price. Now, the second one I think you should have in your portfolio is Ethereum. Ethereum, I think, will eventually flip Bitcoin in market cap, not in price. Price is listed here, market cap is here. Market cap wise, Ethereum already 243 billion. And ETH, if you can look up way up at the top here, makes up 17.6% of the overall market. So together, both of these assets make up roughly 64% of the overall crypto market. Now, personally, I have more Ethereum than Bitcoin. Why? Because I think Ethereum will grow more than Bitcoin in the next 10, 15, 20 years. That doesn't mean I don't like Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin too. It's just not it's not my largest position. Ethereum is. Ethereum has already crushed Bitcoin in terms of growth over the last couple of years. And I see that trend continuing, even though I do think Bitcoin can get upwards to $90,000 to $100,000 later this year. I think Ethereum will run with it and probably set new all-time highs as well. Now, Ethereum is a little bit different. It's a proof of stake model. At least it's moving toward that with Ethereum 2.0. I explained Ethereum as kind of a highway of DeFi, right? It is the highway. Highway Ethereum. And then all of these DeFi applications or cars or whatever vehicle you want to put in there, they're running on this highway. So I think Ethereum's here for the long term, not to mention it is perfectly situated with the NFT space for the future. I can see Ethereum being the internet of money, if you will, later on down the road in the future as our society continues to shift to a tokenized economy. Okay? Now, after Bitcoin Ethereum, my third asset that I feel like you need to have in your portfolio is Cardano. Okay, so Cardano for a couple reasons here. Now, Cardano is rolling out smart contracts coming up in August and September. The founder of Cardano is coming from Ethereum, Charles Hoskinson. He learned a lot there, and they're really doing Cardano the right way. And what I mean by that is they're doing a peer-reviewed approach, and I just love their future outlook. They're solving real-world problems, and I just think With that alone, you've got another major indicator as to why I think it's something that needs to be in your portfolio. And not to mention the price is cheap. You can acquire a lot of these assets. I know that's appealing. So Grayscale Trust, okay? If you don't know about Grayscale Trust, the world's largest digital crypto currency digital currency asset manager, announced Friday, this past Friday, actually this was a little bit while back, maybe 2 Fridays ago, that it's adding Cardano to the trust. So Bitcoin makes up 67%, Ethereum makes up 25% and some change. Now Cardano makes up almost 4.5% of the Grayscale Trust. This tells me that institutions believe in it. If the Grayscale Trust is adding Cardano to the mix, I think it needs to be in your portfolio, and I think the future is super, super bright for Cardano, who's also on a proof of stake model with smart contracts, okay, along with Ethereum. So those three, I think, need to be in your portfolio. Personally, my ranking, Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, 1, 2, 3, right now. My number 4 cryptocurrency that needs to be in your portfolio, and I am looking to up my position in this asset, is Chainlink. Chainlink is also listed in the Grayscale Trust. Makes up 0.86%. But why Chainlink? What's so good about Chainlink? Well, I'm going to go over some things here with you. So Chainlink also works with smart contracts, but a little bit differently. So let me scroll back up here. I have some things highlighted here. Here we go. All right, so the difficulty in connecting outside information sources to blockchain smart contracts in a language that they both understand is one of the main limitations in how widely smart contracts can be used. This is something that all platforms with smart contracts deal with. Now, what makes Chainlink different is they provide oracles. An oracle is a software known as middleware that acts as an intermediary, translating data from the real world to smart contracts on the blockchain and back again. So, recently, oracles have been introduced into the crypto ecosystem. Chainlink was one of the first to adopt them and bring them off-chain data to on-chain in doing so, you're bringing off-chain data onto on-chain smart contracts. However, centralized oracles diminish the benefits of on-chain smart contracts because they may be untrustworthy or faulty. It says here, Chainlink is a decentralized network of nodes that provide data and information from off-blockchain sources. This is the key here. Off-blockchain sources to on-blockchain smart contracts via oracles. This is what makes Chainlink unique. This process, along with extra secure hardware, eliminates the reliability issues that might occur if using only a single centralized source. Okay? Not to mention, Chainlink is connected to Ethereum. So anything connected to Ethereum I really like. So let's go down here and we'll see here Chainlink is listed as number 15. I think below $20 is an amazing price for Chainlink. Okay? And if we go down here, it was founded back in 2017. It's a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Again, bringing them from off-chain to on-chain. Okay, in 2014, okay, that's the founder, blah, blah, blah. Here's what I want to go. Chainlink is one of the first networks to allow the integration of off-chain data into smart contracts. With many trusted partners, Chainlink is one of the major players in the data processing field. Due to the integration of off-chain data, Chainlink has attracted the attention of numerous trusted data providers, including Brave New Coin, AlphaVantage, and Hubai. Now, one of the other assets that I'm really bullish on, Theta, Chainlink has already partnered up with Theta too, one that I definitely like. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. So the 4 assets I think need to be in your portfolio. Just my opinion here, not a financial advisor. It's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, it's Cardano, and it's Chainlink. And thank you so much. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'd love to have you over on our private community. Check that link out down below, and let me know if you have any questions about that. I'll see you in the next one.